Are you searching for the best cameras for content creators in 2025? Whether you're filming YouTube videos, vlogging your daily life, or crafting social media content, the right camera is key. In today's countdown, we've got 5 excellent options that deliver top-notch quality and creator-friendly features. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Product links are in the description. Let's dive into our number 5 pick. Number 5. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera. Kicking off the list is the Canon EOS R50, a fantastic entry-level mirrorless camera designed with creators in mind. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and Digic X processor, allowing you to capture sharp photos and vibrant 4K video at 30 frames per second without cropping. It's super lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry, whether you're vlogging from home or on the go. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with subject and eye detection keeps your videos looking sharp even when you're in motion. The flip-out touchscreen makes it a breeze to frame your shots, whether you're filming yourself or showing off your surroundings. Additionally, it supports vertical video and features built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly transfer footage to your phone. Canon's Creative Assist and A+ Advanced Auto modes help beginners create professional-looking results with minimal effort. Whether you're making lifestyle content, tutorials, or daily vlogs, this camera provides a smooth and intuitive experience. If you're just starting out and want professional quality without a steep learning curve, the Canon EOS R50 hits the sweet spot. Number 4. Sony Alpha ZV-E10II Mirrorless Camera. At number 4, the Sony ZV-E10II brings advanced tools into a compact and creator-friendly design. It features a 26-megapixel Exmor-R APS-C sensor, offering crisp, vibrant footage with excellent low-light performance, ideal for everything from vlogging to live streaming. With 4K recording up to 60 frames per second and 10-bit 4x2x2 color, this camera delivers cinematic-looking video that stands out on any platform. The real-time eye and face autofocus ensures your subject stays razor-sharp, even if you're moving or talking to the camera. One standout feature is lens flexibility. The ZV-E10II is compatible with Sony's entire E-mount lens lineup, allowing you to exercise complete control over your creative style. Whether you're filming with a wide-angle lens or getting close-up with a prime, this camera adapts to your needs. There's also a new cinematic vlog setting that adds a dramatic film look with just one tap, perfect for reels, intros, or travel content. Audio is handled by a directional 3-capsule microphone with a windscreen, offering clean sound even in outdoor environments. With a flip-out touchscreen, intuitive controls, and professional-level features packed into a compact body, the ZV-E10II is an excellent choice for content creators ready to elevate their game. It gives you freedom, flexibility, and fantastic results without overcomplicating your workflow. Number 3. Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera. If portability and power are both on your wish list, the Sony ZV-1 is made for you. Explicitly designed for vloggers and creators, this compact camera features a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Beyonce X processor, delivering stunning 20.1 megapixel still images and high-quality 4K video. Its built-in 24 to 70 mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens gives you the flexibility to shoot wide for vlogs or zoom in for more detailed shots. With real-time eye autofocus and fast subject tracking, the ZV-1 makes sure your face or subject is always sharp and clear, even when you're moving. It shines in close-up shooting thanks to Sony's Product Showcase mode. Simply hold up an item and the camera instantly focuses on it, perfect for unboxing or product demonstrations. Another standout is the built-in ND filter, which helps control exposure in bright conditions. You also get a directional 3-capsule mic with a windscreen for cleaner audio, and the flip-out screen makes self-shooting effortless. Despite its small size, the ZV-1 offers powerful tools like background defocus, soft skin effect, and creative picture profiles, all at your fingertips. Whether you're creating travel vlogs, beauty content, or casual videos on the go, the ZV-1 is a lightweight, feature-packed choice that fits in your pocket but performs like a pro. Number 2. Nikon Z30 Mirrorless Camera. Next up is the Nikon Z30, a camera designed specifically for content creators who seek exceptional image quality, dependable performance, and intuitive features. It features a 20.9 megapixel DX format sensor and shoots 4K UHD video with no crop, ideal for creators who want to utilize the entire frame. This camera was built for video. It offers a fully articulating touchscreen for effortless self-filming, eye detection autofocus to keep faces in focus, and clean HDMI output, great for live streams or external recorders. Audio matters too, and the Z30 delivers with a stereo microphone and an external microphone jack for professional level sound. The camera supports up to 125 minutes of continuous recording, so you don't have to worry about time limits when filming longer content. Thanks to its APS-C sensor and solid low-light performance, your footage remains clear even in less than ideal lighting conditions. It also handles vertical video and connects easily to smartphones via Nikon's SnapBridge app. With its compact body and intuitive controls, the Z30 is ideal for travel, desktop filming, or any in-between use. Suppose you're a YouTuber, streamer, or educator looking for dependable video quality and flexible features. The Nikon Z30 gives you the power to create with confidence, whether you're shooting in studio or on the go. Number 1. Sony ZV-1II Vlog Camera. Our top pick, the Sony ZV-1II, takes everything creators loved about the original and makes it even better. This compact all-in-one camera features a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Sony's Beyondx processor for brilliant 20.1 megapixel images and detailed 4K video. The upgraded 18 to 50mm f1.8 to 4 lens provides a significantly wider field of view, making it ideal for handheld vlogging, group shots, or filming in tight spaces. It's perfect for creators who don't want to carry extra gear but still need pro-quality results. You'll love the real-time eye autofocus, face priority AE, and the intuitive flip-out touchscreen, all designed to make filming yourself easier than ever before. Onboard 3-capsule mic automatically adjusts its direction based on your subject and includes a windscreen for clear audio. Sony includes its powerful product showcase mode and background defocus for instant pro-level adjustments, and the new cinematic vlog setting helps you create movie-like footage with just a tap. Wireless sharing is simple with smartphone pairing, and the camera's compact size means you'll take it everywhere. For solo creators seeking premium visuals, smart audio, and complete creative control in a user-friendly package, the Sony ZV-1II is hands down the best camera for content creators in 2025. Quick recap. So, which one is right for you? Let's break it down one last time. Just getting started and want simple pro results? The Canon EOS R50 is beginner-friendly with great 4K video and creative assist tools. Do you need flexibility with lenses and cinematic color profiles? The Sony Alpha ZV-E10II gives you 4K at 60 frames per second, swappable lenses, and real-time autofocus. Do you want something compact that fits in your pocket? The Sony ZV-1 delivers sharp 4K video, fast autofocus, and product showcase mode in a compact design. Filming longer videos or streaming in low light? The Nikon Z30 offers uncropped 4K video, excellent low-light performance, and extended continuous recording capabilities. Looking for the best all-in-one camera for content creation? The Sony ZV-1II gives you a wider lens, smart audio, and cinematic features in a compact, creator-ready body. Whatever your style or platform, one of these cameras will help elevate your content. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best cameras for content creators in 2025. Which one fits your style and workflow? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future gear guides. Thanks for watching and keep creating.